everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. It's Super Simple Sunday, and I have a fabulous Super Simple Sunday scrap craft. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. Welcome to all of my new friends and subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the awesome way in which you support me and my channel. Today is Super Simple Sunday, and we are going to do a very super simple craft. We're going to use our scraps, and we're going to create something very useful. I'll give you a look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's a closer look at today's awesome Super Simple Sunday project. It is going to be so easy, but we're going to make these little tags, pockets, whatever you want to call them, and they're perfect for adding to a gift, dropping in a gift box, adding to a journal if you want, but they are so stinking cute. And I am going to do something that I don't think I've ever done on the channel before, and that is just going to be some very basic stamping. That is how we're going to get the saying on these tags. Very, very simple. You'll be able to use up plenty of scraps to make this project because when finished, this is going to measure 5 by 2.5. And then we'll have the inside card that will measure 4 by 2. Very good way to get rid of some of those scraps that you might have accumulated. So here is what we're going to need to make this sweet little tag project. And I'm in my backyard again. Can you guys see how yucky my mat is? I will be cleaning that pretty soon with my magic oil. I just need to remember to bring that oil home with me so that I can come out and clean the mat. So here's what we're going to need. I have a piece of 5 by 5 scrap, and my scrap is double-sided. I have a piece of 4 1/4 by 2 scrap, that same pattern. And then I have a piece of 1 3/4 by 4 white paper, and that is for the writing space of this particular tag. And then I have the little embellishment pieces that I will be putting down. So I'm going to bring in my scoreboard, and the first thing I'll do is score this in half. So it's 5 inches, and I'm going to score it at 2.5. And then I'll fold it, give it a very quick burnishing. Then I want to take one corner and we're going to fold it back. So I am going to open this, bring in my ruler, and when I position the ruler, I'm going to position it right there at the point of the fold. And then how far you choose to come down is completely up to you. And then I'm going to take my stylus and just get myself a scoring groove. And now I can take this piece and fold it back. And to close it, I am just going to use some of my tape. You can close this with glue if you want. So there we have that piece like that. Now to actually seal this, I am going to use my Reptile adhesive. And I'll put some across the bottom here and on the side there. Then I can close this, use my big old spatula to get this nice and stuck. And then I decided I wanted a rounded look to this, so I am just going to lightly round my ends. This is just something that I wanted to do. You don't have to do this on yours. And I'm rounding all 4 ends. And we'll round here. And so there we have our sweet little pocket. So now we're going to take this piece and I'm going to go ahead and stamp. So I have a lot of stamps that, quite honestly, I very rarely ever use because I don't stamp often. But I am going to take this stamp, place it on the back, and then I'll ink. And I'm going to take this and place it down right here at the bottom. And then I'm just going to press down here at the top to get a nice imprint. And there, it says, enjoy the little things in life. And all I did to my stamper was I added one of my crystal knobs so that I can go back and get even pressure when I'm pressing down. So now we're going to take this. I'm going to add some tape to this piece. And then I'll take it and I'm just going to try to get it placed down even on this piece, or as even as I can get it. And then I'll use my big old spatula to get that nice and stuck. So now we have the holder and we have the tag. I can place the tag in the holder. You can punch holes and add a tassel if you want. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to do just that so that you can see how cute this can be. Because now that we have the hole, this is also a great way to secure the tag to a gift bag. I'm just going to feed the tassel through the hole and then just attach it so you can see what a cute little accessory that is on there. But it also makes it possible for us to easily join this to a gift bag. So I'm going to take this, we're going to place it on the inside. Then I have my 2 pieces of ephemera that I'm going to place right there. So I'm just going to add a little bit of tape to the back of that as well as to the back of this. So I'll take this and I think I'm going to place it like that. Then I'll take my little happiness piece and we're going to put it just like that. And now we have a third pocket tag, gift tag, sweet little message that you can just give to someone. Very easy to make. Didn't put a whole lot into it. As you guys can see, we are using our scraps for Super Simple Sunday. And that's because on Super Simple Sunday, we like to keep it super and we like to keep it simple. Y'all know that we always love to make beautiful, useful crafts on the channel. And anytime that we get a chance to use up some of our scraps, we are going to. And usually that is going to be on Super Simple Sunday, but we'll scrap craft on other days as well as the opportunity comes up. But don't you think that these are just so stinking cute and so easy to make? Y'all, this is one of those crafts where you can whip out bunches. You can embellish as much as you want. You can even add embellishments to some of the white space here if you want. No need to stamp. I just chose to stamp today because I am going through my stash. And guess what happens when you go through your stash? You find so many things that you have not used. So that is what I'm trying to do as well. I'm trying to use what I have. And I hope that this has given you some ideas on ways that you can use what you have as well. If you have liked this video, and I certainly hope that you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.